So, what are collocation and how to use them? The collocation is made up of two or more words that are commonly used together in English. For example, deep, deep feelings, deep pockets, etc. Heavy, heavy rain. Why we can't say hard rain? It is because of collocation. Some words fit together and some words don't. Heavy, sleeper, etc. Let's look into some most common collocations. You almost certainly know many collocations in English. The most common of them are with everyday verbs, for example, get, go, catch, come, give, and so on. They can have tons of collocations. Collocation can be based on any part of speech. For example, they can be adjectives, adverbs, noun, and many more. The point is, collocations are everywhere. To speak English naturally and fluently, you need to pay attention to them. So, here are some. I have got for you. All you have to do is practice them with me. Now, let's start with the collocations with get. Get tired. Get together. Get upset. Get sleep. Get wet. Get started. Get worried. Next one are the collocations with go. Go missing. Go mad. Go insane. Go deaf. Go crazy. Go bald. Go bad. Collocations with catch. Catch a ball. Catch a glimpse. Catch you later. Catch a Jill. Catch a thief. Catch a flu. Catch sight of. Collocations with come. Come close. Come last. Come to an end. Come first. Come up with. Come to decision. Come to a stop. Collocations with give. Give a choice. Give a chance. Give a hand. Give advice. Give rise to. Give notice. Give an idea. Collocations with have. Have an exam. Have an accident. Have an idea. Have food. Have a room. Have skills. Have a thing. Collocations with make. Make a bed. Make a fuss. Make a habit. Make a cup of tea. Make a deal. Make a remark. Make a list. Collocations with pay. Pay a bill. Pay a visit. Pay attention. Pay interest. Pay cash. Pay a bill. Pay someone a compliment. Collocations with save. Save energy. Save something. Save space. Save time. Save electricity. Save money. Save someone a seat. Collocations with ask. Ask a favor. Ask for something. Ask about. Ask a question. Ask after somebody. Ask for direction. Ask permission. Collocations with break. Break a bone. Break a law. Break loose. Break free. Break the silence. Break a leg. Break a promise. Collocations with do. Do a deal. Do homework. Do laundry. Do damage. Do nothing. Do a favor. Do the right thing. Collocations with get. Get a call. Get a joke. Get a shock. Get a ticket. Get angry. Get fired. Get a cold. Collocations with keep. Keep a promise. Keep quiet. Keep source. Keep score. Keep a secret. Keep control. Keep calm. Keep in touch. Collocations with take. Take a bite. Take a bow. Take action. Take a test. Take a photo. Take ages. Take a risk. With this, our today's video is complete. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any queries, do tell us in the comment section. Hit the like button if you like our video. Share our video with your friends and family. If you want the PDF of today's lecture, do tell us in the comment section.